On the next episode of me trying to clean my cloth diapers, I bought some RL laundry detergent. Well, it's not a detergent, it's a treatment. Then I bought some cloth safe diaper cream, which is very important. And y'all just follow me on this journey, see how this goes. So I bought some secondhand cloth diapers off of a Facebook cloth diaper girl. And when I got them, I washed and stripped them several times. I noticed there was detergent buildup on the insert clip here. And I kept rinsing, and it wasn't working. And then the borax is not detergent. It's supposed to be a detergent booster. So I was using that. So I don't know if that was why I was seeing extra suds or whatever. So as you can see, I bought the LR and chef's kiss. Worked amazing. So I recommend it. And I'm gonna show y'all how my water looked like afterwards. Like everything is stripped. So I did strip and sanitize, and that's two different things. Stripping is using your stripping ingredients of choice. At first I did borax, then as you see I bought the RLR, and then I sanitized with a bleach soap to make sure everything is out. And that worked perfectly. Oh my goodness. I haven't been able to use my diapers because I wanted to make sure that they were clean before I used them on him. So strip your diapers. You never know what's in it. So I stripped the old ones I had and the ones that I personally had myself. So keep following me on this cloth diaper journey. So when you're doing the bleach soap, just run some water, look at the measurements. Put some bleach in the water and swish your diapers around. I added my colored diapers to it. It did not bleach it. So I would test one diaper. I had two of the same pattern. So I put one in and tested it. They didn't bleach and they're all fine. So do a bleach soap. And then when you do the RLR, make sure you do it on clean diapers and let it soak for like an hour or so. And then do a rinse cycle. And I didn't see no suds in it, so I did a rinse cycle, and then I did my normal routine. And there you go. It's really easy.